Hi guys, welcome to the Bashcom Tech and Data Science class. Today we'll be talking about a very unique topic, Python Anaconda. What makes it unique in comparison to other distributors of Python? Today we'll be talking about intro to Python Anaconda, but we won't limit ourselves to that. We'll also talk about how to download and install Anaconda. So today this is a full package. So if you are new into data analytics, you want to learn more about Python, you want to know what's Anaconda, what it's used for. Now, whether you're installing Anaconda on Windows operating system, Linux, or macOS, or whatever operating system that you want to use, Anaconda seems to have an edge in comparison to other distributors, because when you install it, it gives you the ability to install up to 300 softwares or packages or other software. So it means that you are killing one stone. You're using one stone to kill multiple birds. That's just the acronym of what it does. It has an edge, and it's a very, very unique distributor of Python. My name is Bashir. Your instructor for today. Now, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is the data science platform for data scientists, IT professionals, and business leaders of tomorrow. It has the ability of installing up to 300 packages of data science softwares, meaning that when you install it, you'll be able to see different components of data science tools such as Python, Panda, NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, R programming, and much more. Today, another basic thing that you should know about Anaconda is that it has some advantages when compared to the traditional Python software. Anaconda allows the installation of multiple packages all at once, whereas if you're using a traditional Python application, you'll be installing one by one, and you'll be doing settings one by one. So it's more cumbersome, and it's more strenuous, and you're open to mistakes. Another basic advantage of using Anaconda in comparison to traditional Python software is that it allows you to incorporate libraries such as NumPy, SciPy, and other scientific libraries, which makes data analysis better. So if you want to carry out a statistical analysis of sales or whatever information that you want to analyze, Anaconda is the best tool that you can use. Another big advantage of Anaconda, though, it is great for beginners, and it has an edge. So most new users that want to learn data science prefer Anaconda. Now today we'll not just be focusing on how to download and install, as I said before. We'll also be talking about how you can use Python Anaconda for machine learning, data analytics, and basic Python fundamentals. Now, once again, Anaconda is the major and the best distributor for Python. It's a data science platform too. Now, let's go ahead and install. Now, if you want to install Anaconda, you have the link here. And if you don't want to use the link also, you can just go directly to your Google. So let's just go to our browser. It's a very easy process. So click on login. Then when you get to your browser, just type Anaconda download. Now, it's a very straightforward process, because when you just click on Anaconda download, it will give you the platform of you'll see different options. Yeah, so when you go to Google and type Anaconda download, you have different options, but it's always better to take the option that comes on the Anaconda site itself. When you click on it, it now takes you to the platform. Now, the present version of Python Anaconda that we have is version 3.9, and so you would choose whatever operating system that you want, either whether it's Windows, whether it's macOS, whether it's Linux or Unix. So now, depending on the configuration of your system, you will check whether check the software. Now, for my system, it's a 64-bit operating system. So you can go to properties. Yeah, so you see system information, which shows the 64-bit operating system. Now, so you have to check this. Don't go and download a 32-bit Anaconda software package for a 64-bit operating system. You have to check that, and you also have to know the exact operating system. this window. So by default, this 64 bits, so you click on download. Now, it will take some minutes for it to download. So it's downloading. I already have a portion of it downloaded already. So let me just pause this. So let's go to our desktop. Here I have the Anaconda software already downloaded to make our class faster. So click on this. So this is what Anaconda software. Now check is what 608 MB. So you have to take note of that also. You have to ensure that this software you download meets the average size. Don't go and take the software that is too small, so it won't work. So now click for the installation to start. Done the download, which is a very easy process. Now for the installation process, that's the second stage that we are in now. Just click on the software and click on run. It takes some minutes. It doesn't take so much. So now, this is the what Anaconda package for 2064 bits. Yes, and so now click on what next. The next thing you have to do when you agree is a very simple process. Now the next one, install for me. We're installing for you. It's a one system, so it's a multiple connected system. You can choose the second option. Now for the part, I want it to be installed on my C drive, but if let's say you want to change the part, you go to browse, then you cannot put on either your G drive or whatever environment you want. I want it installed on my C drive, so I'm going to use this option. The next word, you click on next. Now this is the critical step, and this is like a very, very important step. Now based on if you have installed Python on your system before, you don't need to check this, but if it's the first time you're installing your Anaconda Python on your system, so you have to check this box. You get it now? You understand? You can say it's not recommended if you have installed Python. So I'm going to check this because this is the first time I'm installing it. So we'll click on it, you understand, and you now click on what next. It doesn't take so much time. It's a very, very easy software to install. So let's just wait a second. The advantage, as I said before, of this software is that when you install it, it allows you to have the opportunity of using different data analysis package. Yes, like Pandas, NumPy, Jupyter, and much more. And that's what makes it very, very unique in comparison to other distributors of Python. So this is the dashboard of the Anaconda application. So let's go. The installation process is still going, so it takes some seconds. So as I said before, it is a very, very unique. So let's hold on for a second, and we'll get back to the class. Hi guys, so you will see that the installation of the Anaconda is complete. So it shows that we have successfully installed the Anaconda software, and it's a very easy process. So it shows this marks the completion of the installation of the Anaconda application. As I said, is one of the major distributors of Python, and it has a lot of advantages. So when you get this message, it shows that the installation is complete, and these are the major products that you will see. Now, so let's close the interface. I think we've done next. Yes, so this shows next. So this shows the final completion of the Anaconda software. Yes, then click on finish. Yes, so it shows that we have finished installing. Now, how do we check? I think that's the major point. How do we check whether our installation is complete? Go to the command prompt, and when you go to command prompt, go to command prompt and just type Python. Yes, so it shows that version 3.9 Python has been successfully installed. So that's the current version. And also, if you go to Windows, also that's command prompt. You also go to Python. You understand? If you click on Python, also you can see the application directly itself. Also, now the Anaconda software, as I said, is one of the major distributors, and it contains different components of different applications and softwares associated with data analytics, like Jupyter, like Pandas, like NumPy, like Spyder, and MacOS. So let's go to our Windows. Yes, just type Yeah, so Anaconda was navigator. Can you see it? Just type Anaconda. Yes, so the Anaconda was navigator. Can you see? So just what click on it. So it will take some time for it to come up. Yes, so the Anaconda application was it takes some minutes to come up. Yeah, so it's coming up. You can see the logo itself. So it takes some minutes for the application to come up. So this is what we're expecting to see. Yes, this. But let's wait for it to come up. It's initializing. And they say that it has close to like 300 watts packages. So can you see? So these are all the application, the App Studio application, the Jupyter, the PyCharm, Jupyter applications, the App Studio. These are all they are much more. So the Anaconda Navigator is only the new distributor, and the beauty about that is it makes data analytics easy, and you don't need to start setting individual parameters for each of the applications. So this class has been very, very interesting, and we hope to see you in our next class. Don't forget, Anaconda is the very, very most important tool in data analytics, and it's the major and the most important Python distributor application for running different data analytics programs. So thank you all, everybody. See you all in our next class. My name is Bashcom. Have a blessed day.